In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to fix the Windows plus Shift plus X not working in Windows 10 and 11. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Start and click in Settings. Search for Settings. Then from here you need to go down to System. Then from here you need to go down to Notifications. Then from here you need to scroll down until you see the notifications from apps and other senders. And scroll down. If you see the Snipping Tool here, you simply need to toggle it off and on again. And if that doesn't work, I can show you another method. So if you close this down and open up the Start search menu and search up for print screen and use the print screen key to open the screen capture. Then from here it should be looking something like this. Then you need to toggle this one off and on again. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!